being free from illness does not always equate to being truly healthy. Health is a multifaceted state encompassing a wide range of physical capabilities and characteristics. It is a spectrum, and where an individual stands on it can often be observed in subtle, everyday ways. This exploration looks into the observable markers of well-being and the processes associated with human aging, drawing from general medical observations and scientific understanding. One of the most fundamental indicators of physical health is how the body moves. Efficient, fluid movement is a hallmark of a well-functioning system. Medical professionals often observe gait, which is the pattern of walking. A balanced and coordinated gait, where the arms swing in opposition to the legs, suggests good neuromuscular communication. The ability to walk at a steady pace without significant effort or shortness of breath is also a key observation. Posture provides another window into a person's physical state. A naturally upright posture, whether standing or sitting, where the head, shoulders, and hips are aligned, is often associated with a strong core and a healthy spine. Over time, factors such as lifestyle and gravity can influence posture. Chronic slouching or forward head posture can alter the body's alignment, which may be noted during physical assessments. Balance is a complex function involving the inner ear, vision, and the body's sense of position in space, known as proprioception. The capacity to stand on one leg for a period of time or to recover quickly from a stumble demonstrates effective integration of these systems, as people age, changes in these sensory systems can affect balance, making stability a significant area of observation in later life. Mobility and flexibility are also crucial components of physical well-being. This refers to the range of motion in the joints and the ability of muscles to move freely. Simple everyday actions, like reaching for an object on a high shelf, bending down to touch, or looking over one's shoulder while driving, all require a certain degree of flexibility. Limited range of motion can be an indicator of changes in the joints or surrounding tissues. The skin often reflects a person's internal state and their history of environmental exposure. Elasticity, color, and texture are observable characteristics. Healthy skin tends to be well hydrated and demonstrates good turgor, meaning it snaps back quickly when lightly pinched. The presence and pattern of wrinkles, age spots, and other changes are a natural part of the aging process, influenced by genetics and lifestyle factors like sun exposure, circulation. The flow of blood throughout the body is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. While it's an internal process, some external signs can offer clues. For example, skin temperature and coloration can be indicators. The hands and feet feeling comfortably warm often suggests good peripheral circulation. Nail health is another observable marker. The small, pale half-moon shape at the base of the fingernail, called the luniole, and the pinkish color of the nail bed are generally associated with adequate blood flow. The quality of sleep is a cornerstone of health. While not directly observable by others in the moment, its effects are often visible. An individual who consistently gets restorative sleep may appear more alert and have a more vibrant complexion. Conversely, chronic sleep deprivation can manifest in visible signs such as dark circles under the eyes and a generally fatigued appearance. Sleep is the period when the body undertakes critical repair and consolidation processes. The body's ability to manage and respond to physical stress is another aspect of health. This can be seen in how quickly one recovers after exertion. For instance, how long it takes for the heart rate and breathing to return to normal after a brisk walk or climbing a flight of stairs can be an indicator of cardiovascular fitness. Efficient recovery suggests the body's systems are adapting well to physical demands. The aging process itself is a natural and complex biological journey. It involves gradual changes in cells, tissues, and organs. These changes are universal but occur at different rates in different individuals. For example, hair naturally loses its pigment over time, leading to graying. The density of bones may decrease, and muscle mass can decline, a process known as sarcopenia. These are not signs of disease, but rather observable, progressive changes associated with advancing age. Observing how someone interacts with their environment can also be informative. The ability to navigate a crowded space, carry groceries, or engage in a hobby that requires fine motor skills speaks to a person's functional health. These are practical demonstrations of strength, coordination, and cognitive function working in concert. Difficulties with such daily tasks might prompt further assessment by healthcare professionals. The eyes can also provide information. Clear, bright whites of the eyes, known as the sclera, are often noted. The pupil's reaction to light, constricting quickly and symmetrically, indicates a healthy neurological response. Over time, the lens of the eye can lose flexibility, leading to difficulties with focusing on close objects, a common condition known as breathing patterns offer further insight. At rest, breathing is typically calm, regular, and almost unnoticeable. It's an automatic process controlled by the brain's. The ability to take a deep, full breath, engaging the diaphragm, demonstrates good lung capacity and function. Shallow or rapid breathing at rest might be observed and noted for further evaluation. The human body possesses a remarkable capacity for healing and adaptation. How it recovers from minor injuries, like a small cut or a bruise, can be an indicator of its underlying health. A well-functioning immune system and good circulation facilitate a timely and effective healing process. The stages of healing, from inflammation to tissue remodeling, are observable biological phenomena. Cognitive function is an integral part of overall health. While it is an internal process, its effects are observable in conversation and action. Memory, attention, problem-solving skills, and the ability to learn new things are all facets of cognitive well-being. An individual who is engaged, articulate, and able to follow complex ideas demonstrates strong cognitive function. Changes in these abilities are a natural part of aging for some, while for others, they may warrant a clinical look. Ultimately, health is a dynamic state, not a static destination. It is a continuous interplay between our genetic makeup, our environment, and our life's journey. Observing the body's signs and signals, from the way we walk to the way we heal, provides a more complete picture. The human body is a complex and integrated system, and its overall condition is reflected in countless observable details. Research generally indicates that a combination of these observable factors paints a more comprehensive picture of an individual's well-being than simply the absence of a diagnosed illness.